Prepare to unlock the secrets of happy and prosperous living with Vastuadvisor, the first ever mobile application for a 100% accurate Vastu evaluation. Are you ready to transform your life? Learn how to use Vastuadvisor software for a 100% accurate Vastu report. Let's get started. Install the app on your Android device and log in or register as a new user. After logging in, click Create Report. Choose English or Hindi as your language preference. Specify the premises type, such as residence. Provide apartment details and address for reference. Read and accept the terms and conditions. Decide the number of rooms, including bedrooms, toilets, living room, and kitchen. Press Next and go and stand at the center of the apartment. Calibrate the compass shown in the application while standing at the approximate center of the premises. The compass displays directions and room details on your screen. Point your mobile in the living room direction and click Select. Repeat for each room. Follow app instructions to record door and window directions for each room. Once all data is collected, the app calculates and displays Vastu compliance percentage. To access the detailed Vastu report, proceed to the payment gateway. You will find Vastu positive plans and suggestions for each area of the premises in the recommendations report. This report is like the Vastu Kundali of your premises. The app incorporates thousands of Vastu positive plans and millions of permutation combinations to give you 100% accurate reports. This is how you can use this Vastuadvisor Android application to analyze and generate 100% accurate Vastu Kundali for your or your client's premises. Thanks for joining us.